Stairs, stairwells and balustrades cleaning. The main purpose of this task is to ensure that any dirt or debris is removed from the stair, landings, rails and balustrades. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including chemical safety data sheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions. Cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the national standards for healthcare cleanliness. Assemble colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning, disinfecting agent according to manufacturer's instructions. Place caution signs. Ensure cleaning chemicals, disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report as required. The tools you'll need to clean stairs are caution sign, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, cloths, disposable cloths, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, mop and bucket, vacuum cleaner, edging tool. We'll now talk you through how to clean stairs. Make sure your work area is safe. Remove any large items of litter. When cleaning handrails and balustrades, the bucket must be kept at the bottom of the stairs. Make sure the cloth has been wrung out tightly and is correctly folded. Handrails and balustrades should be systematically cleaned from top to bottom. Wipe the handrails, spindles, casings from top to bottom. When vacuuming, select the correct vacuum tool for the floor surface being cleaned. The vacuum cleaner must always be left at the bottom of the staircase. The stairs should be systematically cleaned from top to bottom, including edges and risers. Remember to use 3 points of contact whenever possible. 2 feet, 1 hand. The mop bucket must be left at the bottom of the staircase. You must wring the mop out well. The stairs should be mop cleaned systematically from top to bottom, including edges and risers. It is advised to do half at a time. Remember to use 3 points of contact whenever possible. Reinstate the stairs for use when fully dry. When you've finished the task, check all areas are completed. Correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you are unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all equipment. Clean and remove caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store equipment away safely. Charge battery or machinery as per manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close ventilation where necessary.